I love every part of it.
Hello, and today I'm going to show you guys my paper Glock 17 that I made entirely out of paper. Here it is. Move that out of the way.
I'm going to celebrate all you guys from coast to coast who make this country amazing. It's time for Ain't That America.
Okay.
Did y'all have a shower or something? Joining me to talk about all kinds of relationship stuff. First and foremost, Chris and Stefano.
Okay, so here are the attachments.
Y'all see Delra. And last but not least, Damian Lemon. Let's get right into it. It's time for bromance. Now, Chris, you start this off. What's the wildest thing that you admit that you did with your friends?
Well, the craziest thing I've ever seen happen is I was out with my boys once, and my man got smashed drunk and hooked up with a transvestite.
That's not bromance.
Okay, so,
Let's see some more bro moments off bromance.
okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the test shot. Test shot.
That's not romantic.
Is that what, like, you guys do?
Look, also you see the bullet right there.